Good day, everyone. Learn how to log into PayPal account in Windows laptop or even from your mobile phone. So open your browser and in Google search PayPal. And once you have searched, hit enter. You will find the best result paypal.com, which is HTTPS. We will click on that. And then you will find login right there at the top right corner. We need to click on login, and then you can enter your email or mobile number. By any chance, if you have forgotten your email, you can simply click on forgot your email, and then you can try entering your email and it will check for a match. All right, and then you can proceed further. So this is how you can log into PayPal account. And if you find this tutorial short and helpful, please don't forget to hit the like and subscribe. I'll see you in the next video. Have a wonderful day.